All right, so I'm Dr. Anthony Mitchell. I'm a practicing optometrist in the state of North Carolina, and today we're going to talk about dry eyes, and I'm going to give you some quick tips. But first, I know what you're thinking. Why doesn't your eye doctor just fix your dry eyes? Well, I don't really have the answer to that, but I'm going to give you some simple tips you can do at home, and then I'm going to show you some other things that you can do when those simple tips no longer work. So first thing that eye doctors usually tell you is just use artificial teardrops. It's the lamest thing. It's the easiest thing to do, but sometimes it doesn't get the job done. And so when you've tried artificial teardrops and you're like, what is the best one that I can do? I'm going to show you the best ones you can usually do. Doesn't have to be this brand, but you just want to make sure that they are preservative free. And so Refresh is a great one. It's a very common one you've seen. Sustain has some. There's a lot of them. Just look for the PF or just make sure it says preservative free. These don't have preservatives in it. Sometimes people are just sensitive to preservatives, so then it makes it really difficult to enjoy the lubrication from the eye drops. So simple thing is artificial teardrops, but chances are you've already heard that. But these are the best ones when you're using those. So if this doesn't work, you definitely want to try using some type of mask, like a Bruder mask. Again, it doesn't have to be this one, but I'm using these sites to kind of show you exactly what I'm talking about so you can see what I'm looking at, and then you can go to these sites and look these things up yourself too, or just type in what I have here. So Amazon has these. These are masks that have like little tiny little beads inside of it. You put it in a microwave for whatever the time is. I think it says like 10 seconds. It has instructions. The beads can just contain the heat. You put it on your eyes and let it sit there for about 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. And then this will help push out the oil from your oil glands so that way your tears can be protected from evaporating so fast. Anyway, this is another good thing that's easy and inexpensive. And if you want something a little bit more therapeutic, a little bit more on crack, and you got a little bit more money, again, it doesn't have to be this. There's plenty of different ones, but Wizard has one that's an electronic one that you can reuse multiple times, and you can control the heat and so forth. So this is the same thing as the Bruder mask I just showed you, just more expensive, and you can just reuse this multiple times. And looks like they got some cool stuff like warranties and all that crazy stuff. Anyway, so these are three easy things you can do at home. If these options don't work, you do have other options. These are the things that eye doctors usually tell you to do, but there are other things that they don't tell you. So I'm going to tell you exactly what to look for and what you should be looking for when you go to your eye specialist. There are special contact lenses that are great for dry eyes. You could do if you're wearing soft lenses, dailies are the best, but we're not going to talk about those. Scleral lenses are a type of contacts that a lot of people don't know about. These are vaulted contacts that you put a liquid reservoir in. It costs a lot, so much like glasses, but they last for multiple years. You reuse them over and over again, and essentially you just have this liquid inside of it, and the liquid is touching your eye the whole time. So your eyes are constantly soothed while you're wearing the contacts. If you don't like contacts, there are plenty of other options that are a lot more therapeutic than everything that I just talked about just now. And so one of those things is called LipiFlow. LipiFlow is great because it does thermal pulsation. Since the summer here, yeah, there we go. So it's like a heat treatment. It's like the Bruder Master showed you, except on crack. So you go to the office, you're gonna pay some cash for this, but what they do is they sit you down, put this little eyelid mask thing over your eyes, and the heat kind of just helps the meibomian glands, which are the glands that express the oil. It makes them a lot more efficient in pushing those oils and unblocking the clogged ducts that you may have. Um, so this is something that you can't do at home. It's equipment that you'd have to go to a special office. And so if you're talking to your eye doctor and they don't have any other fixes of what to do, what you need to be doing is thinking you're going to take this video and you're going to look and ask, do they have LipiFlow? Because if they don't, then that's probably why they don't have any solutions for you. So anyway, use this. It's on Google. Type it in, and you can do some further research about these things I'm talking about too. The other thing is RF, which is just radio frequency therapy, similar to the LipiFlow. These treatments you usually have to do multiple times, but same thing, it's a lot more therapeutic than a lot of stuff you do at home. So if you're just the type of person that's already tried it at home stuff and it doesn't work, and you're like, what are my options? You do have options, you just don't know about them. So here you go. Take this, research it, and kind of go from there. All right. Other thing that is available is Intense Pulse, Pulse Light. This is a light therapy. This one is very specific to certain skin types, so this one's not available for every type of person. But this is something that can be done too to help with dry eyes, and something also that you cannot do at home. And so, biggest thing with this, it helps you can help reduce a lot of the inflammation. And of course, you same thing. Well, all these you have to do like multiple times throughout the year. Usually, like I associate like 3 to 4 times. And so this uses light to kind of, same thing, it focuses on the meibomian glands and kind of reducing the inflammation around there, especially if you have a lot of inflammation around your eyelids, because if you have a lot of inflammation, that can lead to a lot of dryness. So this is another thing that can be used. And I know what you're thinking, like, well, how do I know if my eye doctor even has these things so that way I can treat my dry eyes? Well, lucky for you, you're born in 2026. All you need to do is type in dry eye specialist near me. Now, I'm going to be honest, when you type this in, sometimes it is just going to unfortunately give you a generic optometrist or ophthalmologist in your area, and they might not actually specialize in dry eyes. So you're going to rewatch this video. You're going to find and research the thing that you were interested in, probably LipiFlow, because that's a very common one. And then when you call, you're going to have the information, so that way when you call, you're going to know what to ask for. Because if they don't have one of these things I kind of showed you here, then they're just going to give you the generic answer: artificial teardrops, and then some type of heat treated mask. But honestly, like I said, you've already been down that road. It doesn't work. You're looking for some high hitter things. You're looking to spend some money. You want to spend $200, $400, $500. You just want your dry eye fix. These are the things that are going to fix it. And so figure out a dry eye specialist in your area, call them, ask them if they have LipiFlow. Ask them, or LipiFlow. Ask them if they have radio frequency. Ask them if they have IPL. And then if they do, they're going to tell you the pricing for that, how many sessions suggesting they suggest. You usually have to do some type of questionnaire to kind of figure out exactly, how your dry eyes is affecting you as a unique person. They also might want to figure out, is it just like your meibomian glands that are being affected? Is it inflammation that's affecting you? And then they can, tailor a dry eye treatment plan for you. And so these places are not generic eye doctors. They are eye doctors, but they specialize in dryness. So what they'll do is figure out why you're getting the dryness, and then they'll create a plan and show you these expensive options. And chances are it's going to be better than what you're doing at home. If you learned something new, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. And we'll probably do a lot of content like this in the next video. Thank you.